shore of Maryland. I am Jackie. Jared is not here today. He is at work. A little breezy out here today. We have the beautiful river behind us and a little view. St. Michael's is from the mid-1600s. It is a tobacco trading port and for the trappers. We're going to give you a little tour of some historic buildings as well as the area, and hopefully you enjoyed what you see. If you do, please like, subscribe, and comment below. So here we are at Muskrat Park. Beautiful, a little breezy. Got some restaurants over here. Some gorgeous houses, which we will take you to in a little bit. Here's a little map of the area. Alright, so we are going to take you on a little walking tour through St. Michael's. So this is Green Street. Of course, the trash truck. Looks like you can rent this place out. This is John Brough House, circa 1800. Look at them shingles. This one is the Edward Harrison House, circa 1792. Our house, 1667, which is now a bed and breakfast. I'm not sure what house this is. Looks like it's just somebody's residential. And there's the park we were just at over there. Oh, and then the church bells. Here is the Dr. Dobson House. Sarah Louisa Brough House, 1872. Joseph Harrison House, 1799. Kind of hard to get this thing in a photo for you. It's on the corner of Harry Street and Locust Street. Sorry folks, today's trash day here. Look how cute these signs are. This is from 1835. Oops. I can't see the name of the house and I don't want to go on their property. Check out this beautiful house over here. Hold on, let me get a clearing from the trees. Look at this beauty. You guys can see that. It is the Wickersham, 1750. And then you have these homes over here, 1850. These are all rentals. You can rent out. Historicvacation.com. The W.R. Melson House. So this is just a little boat launch area. Looks like a typical area. It's Hollis Park. I can't remember. As you can see, the water is very shallow right here. And over here, you have a bunch of old oyster shells. All this muck. There's a whole bunch right there. Look at the jellyfish. See? Bunch of jellyfish, and I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. They're right there. A boat coming in. It's pretty deep right there. And there's a ton of fish right there. More jellyfish. There's more fish in there. And just a boat coming in. Nothing really to see here. We're at Hollis Park. You can go for a nice little walk. We have a playground area for little kids. Ducks. Got the Peachtree River Cruise, Bay Cruise. These beautiful homes. Navy Point Historic Homes.